Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I am playing Didnt Die Awakening. How's that?
You were killed. Now you're a zombie as well as David before. Cool. He's always crawling and he's really good. Good at jumping.
How do you crawl?
He can't. Not unless you're a certain type of
How do you be that certain kind of zombie?
It's always random what type of zombie. Hello? Ammunition table. Whoa. Hey, zoom out.
Actually, this is boring. I'm gonna play a different game. Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today we are playing, well actually, I already started the video, but we're playing Booga Booga nonetheless. Now, sad, dang it, I don't have enough iron.
You got sleep.
Armor. Cow! Cow! I think I have a chest or something. Let's see if I have a chest. I don't come back for the weekend, not back for a day.
Boy from here, Tim, with a sling. Slings are magical.
And now, baby, I just want you back, and I want you to stay.
Tim, I did
Walking
something
on
that
sunshine.
I might eventually
Whoa. What?
Zoom in.
Walking on sunshine. Whoa. I'm walking on sunshine.
Where's Mason?
Whoa. And don't it feel good? Yeah. It feels good.
Tim, I'm mining a gold shilling with a sling.
You can't. Oh, never mind.
You throw it at
I understand how you can. How about we go to the... Oh, dang it, I forgot where. Let's go to the, I forgot. Yeah, the center. Hello? Come on.
it.
This mouse isn't working. Work, mouse! Here, I got it. Bye.
You do
Tongue.
like 2 damage if it. Wait.
Tongue.
You yeah, you do 4 damage if it.
At full power. I am going to see if my mouse is working actually. What is that?
It's a racket.
Hunt.
Where's
Now
Mason and you?
to check on my mouse. My mouse should work now.
Kill that thing. Kill that thing.
Whoa! Already had one. Thanks. Smack that Shelly! I said to smack that Shelly! Big stone Shelly. Punt.
Make total.
We make our own way into someone else's space, and then we shoot them down with awesomeness. Frozen gold. Frozen gold.
Who's the leader of your
Baby, I just want you back, and I want you to stay. I'm walking on sunshine. Wow, I'm walking on sunshine. Wow, don't it feel good? Now let's see.
Well, how do you? What
Now
is
let's
the
see.
next
Let's see.
before?
Let's see.
Don't worry.
Educated,
Get out of
money.
the way.
with progress, and not mine. What happens if you put a frozen peeper by a fire?
I don't know.
Let's find out. Let's make a campfire. Absolutely nothing.
Need something like this. Go to your down club.
Because I wanted to cook my morsels.
One morsel equals
Fish trap, which equals getting up there. Come on, mouse. Why is my mouse dead? There we go. Come on! Stupid mouse. I wonder if I put the batteries in the wrong way. Let's check. Okay.
what level is MP?
Don't know. Don't remember.
He's level 34, same as me. Frozen gold.
Uh-huh.
There are 3 gold nodes right here.
Mine 'em all. Hey, look. What is it? Punt. Ice chunk. What's in the ice chunk is the question. Let's go find something.
Tim, look, 3 gold in 1. Look.
Yes, I see. Now, what was I trying to do? doesn't thaw, but you can eat it. Doesn't do much though. Nom, nom, nom. Da na na
like
na.
a berry.
Except it gives you more food. Now that I am here.
It's here, Mom. I found Mason.
Make some pickaxe. And now, it's time to mine. Mine, 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 miney, mine, 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 mine. Cut coal. I need coal. Ding, 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 ding. Yes, there is a campfire in the mine. Hey, look, 2 gold. No, that was 1 gold. Now here's the iron. Sell for how much? They updated markets?
Hey, did he just die?
The guy left. Guy who made it left. Come on, stupid. Mouse, work, work!
Mason, I found Mason.
Yes, I'm where Mason is.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You got to hear from home?
Mm-hmm. Steel.
There's a cave connecting our islands?
No. It would be awesome if there was, though.
How did you get there?
I rode here. With a boat.
Well, the steel raft is mine.
I thought there were... Oh, whatever. Now, I want to try out the market.
Yo, Mama, 56. There's a market thing.
I made this. I'm trading right now. Stop.
But this is pricey right now. It's pricey.
Submit. What do you get from a market? What's a resource chest?
So how much? It gives you resources and tons of it. Wait. Go back to it.
Oh. My resource chests. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of resources. A lot of resources.
Yeah, that's a resource.
So many, so many, so many, so
yeah,
many.
I opened 2.
I opened
And they're
2
just
just now.
like stone, leaves, and wood.
You mean logs?
Stone,
Leaves and logs.
and wood.
Logs.
Sure
There aren't any 6.
Helicopter blade of doom above my head.
Hey, get out of the way. I'm trying to get stuff. David, don't take my stuff. Dang it.
Okay, here's one of the stuff. Whoops.
I will leave and kill you.
No. 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 And I know you asked me something.
Yes.